What are you guys playing with?
Train track.
The alphabet train track.
And what comes next, Mom?
What is it? Let's sing it. HIJKLMNOPQRS. S. What is S? Can you find it?
S for skunk.
Skunk. That's right. S for skunk.
Yes, yes. Now the card.
Skunk smell. Skunk smell, don't they? Now what? S-Q-R-S-T. T. Good job. Who just said T?
Me.
Oh, good job.
T.
Dutch, T.
No Dutch.
Okay, you guys say goodbye.